Hi, thanks for joining me in this video. In this video, I'll be discussing a very important topic, and this is for clients that are not legal in other countries, in other parts of the world. They perhaps entered legally in the country and somehow lost their status. What does that mean for Canada? Can you come to Canada on a temporary application, or can you apply for permanent residency? And the correct answer here is it depends. Depends on the application. Most application, gladly to say, being illegal in another country does not in and of itself affect your application to Canada, which means you are still eligible to apply. However, the biggest part of this is to demonstrate that you are not going to be illegal in Canada. So for example, especially when it comes to temporary applications, such as if you want to apply for visit visa or study permit or work visa, these are temporary applications. And part of the onus on the applicant is to demonstrate that you're going to leave Canada. So if you, for example, are illegal in the United States and you apply for a study permit, you do have to tell the officer that I have a great life where I came from, I'm going to study in Canada and then leave your country. And so when you're illegal in another country, that part becomes difficult to answer. So how do you overcome that? In fact, this is the only time I will have to say reverted to Canada. Tell the officer what your aspirations are in Canada. This is the only time what I would encourage the client to say, apply for the study permit and say that this particular program will allow me to find employment in Canada. I will apply for the PGW work permit. I will be employable. These are the potential employers in Canada that will employ me. And I will then apply for express entry and do this. What's important here is that you have to demonstrate to the officer that you understand your rights and responsibilities and that you understand that at no point can you stay illegally in Canada. This is called dual intent. Dual intent is legal so long as you remain legal in Canada. And somewhere in there you should mention that despite being illegal hypothetically in the United States, you have no intentions of not adhering to the rules and regulations of Canada, that you will exit should that need come up. But your long-term goal is to stay permanent, and this is how you intend to do it. Now, if you're illegal in the United States, for example, and you want to apply for permanent residency, then you don't have to mention that because you're going to get PR. There's no need for you to demonstrate that you're going to exit. So if you're going to do a spousal sponsorship, being illegal in another country has zero effect. Applying for express entry has zero effect because these are PR applications. So depending on what type of application you're applying, you may or may not need to address being illegal outside of Canada. I hope this video helped. If there's any questions about that, please do give us a call. Thank you, and until next time.